He was doing $2 million a year, but felt like he was dying. Here's what happened when he integrated. Let me tell you about a client. Let's call him Mike. Mike came to us about 18 months ago. From the outside, everything looked great. He was running a 7-figure business, good revenue, and a growing team. But inside, he was falling apart. He had major health concerns. He couldn't sleep. He was stressed all the time. He'd wake up at 3 a.m. and his heart was racing. And here's what really got to him. He couldn't play with his kids. He got winded walking up the stairs. He avoided photos because he didn't like what he saw in the mirror. And his marriage was deteriorating. He told me, Chris, I built this business to create freedom for me and my family. But I'm trapped. I'm dying in the process. That hit me hard because I've been there. Now, Mike had tried everything. He hired business coaches. He joined masterminds. He'd optimized his operations and all his strategies in the business. And some of it helped. Revenue kept on growing. But he didn't feel any better. In fact, he felt worse. He'd also tried to fix his health on his own. He joined a gym for a month, then quit. He'd start a diet, then fall off. He'd tell himself he'd focus on it next quarter. But next quarter never comes. Because here's what Mike didn't understand. You can't fix these things separately. His business was stuck because he was stuck. His energy was capped. His decision making was foggy. His mindset was completely shot. And no amount of tactics or strategies could fix that. That's when Mike came to us. We ran him through the 4-pillar assessment. And within the first call, it was crystal clear his number one constraint was health. His energy was at 30%, and that was capping everything else. His strategy was fine. His offer was solid. His team was capable. But he was the bottleneck. So here is what we did. Weekend number 1, we optimized his health first. We didn't wait. We didn't say, let's fix the business and then deal with health. We made health the priority. We built him a vitality protocol, fixed his sleep, got him training again, advised him on his nutrition. Within 2 weeks, his energy was up 50%. Weekend number 2, we worked on his mindset, mental toughness, clarity, leadership psychology. We addressed the limiting beliefs that were sabotaging his execution. Weekend number 3, we built his enterprise operating system, team, processes, and systems, so his business could run without him being the bottleneck. And the entire time, we integrated. We didn't treat these as separate projects. We optimized all 4 pillars simultaneously. Here's what happened in just 90 days. Revenue improved from 2 to 3.8 million annualized, nearly doubled his business. On the health side, he lost 10 kilos, started running 3 times per week, and waked up feeling rested. Freedom. His business now operates without him being the bottleneck. He takes a 4-week holiday every year. He's present with his kids, and his marriage has improved dramatically. And here's what Mike told me that hit the hardest. Chris, for the first time in years, I don't wake up at 3 a.m. feeling shame. I look in the mirror and I'm proud of what I see. I've got my mojo back. I can play with my kids without getting winded. My business is thriving and my wife actually likes me again. That's integration. Now, Mike's story isn't unique. We've seen this transformation so many times. But I know what you might be thinking. What if this doesn't work for me? What if I'm too busy? What if I can't afford it? Well, that's what video 5 is for. I'm going to handle the 2 biggest objections we hear. DM me results if you want more case studies, or just keep watching. Let's keep going.